Okay, so this is what the house looks like. We have brick, which I'm totally excited about. You should have heard me a second ago. I was like screaming, we have brick! So they put our house number etched in with piece of paper. We've got some sort of screen stuff on our windows. See, and then we get Tim and Catherine coming. This is awesome.
Watch out for the damn nails on his damn thing.
Okay. So this is going to be the entryway. All right, careful of these things. They've got nails coming out of them.
Nice.
All right. Just be careful where you step. This is going to be the entryway right here. And then this is like a little hallway. There's going to be like walls here. And then you have the guest bathroom right here. And then this is my sewing room right here. And then I get a little closet right there.
Nice.
And then, yeah, there was water in this last time because they were testing it to make sure that there was water. It wasn't going to leak. So they've put in insulation here. That's going to be Grandpa's room. Or Dad's spare room, however we want to call it. Depending on who sees this video. Because we're not supposed to say that. And you can walk through walls right now. See? Alright, this is the kitchen. Alright, so this is going to be my island. The pantry right there. This is the dining room right here. The living room's right here. This is Dad and I's bedroom. Right here. This is the sink area right here. There's going to be a huge shower right here. This is going to be the toilet in the closet thing right here. And then this is going to be our regular closet. And then, of course, the garage. And then there's an attic up there.
Nice. Solid. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh,
That's a big ass backyard. I'll tell you that right now. From here to here, I'll have nothing to do with that.
Alright, so it's about halfway bricked because the back isn't bricked. Yeah, but they bricked all the way to the side of the house.
You want to help with it?
I'm God's gonna do this while they're getting out here. See what happens. It's not gonna happen for a while, Tim. Like the first 6 or 7 months.
Right, so they just have the back to do on the brick.
Huh?
They just have the back to do on the brick.
Yeah, I know. I'm more or less concerned with the inside.
Yeah.